The Honor Magic V2 RSR has garnered significant attention in 2023, becoming a favorite among many due to its ultra-thin and lightweight design. Capitalizing on the success of the Magic V2, Honor introduced the Magic V2 RSR, a special edition in collaboration with Porsche Design, offering several upgrades and enhancements over the standard model. One notable upgrade is the inclusion of an array of accessories, emphasizing the premium nature of the device. The package includes a stylus, a sophisticated case for both the phone and stylus, and 2 chargers, catering to different plug types for global compatibility. This attention to detail sets it apart from other smartphones in its class. Design-wise, the Magic V2 RSR boasts a sleek and elegant back cover inspired by the design and durability of Porsche cars. Despite its premium build, it maintains a slim profile and minimal weight, making it comfortable to hold and carry. The addition of a stylus enhances productivity, offering a seamless writing experience with minimal latency, akin to high-end tablets like the iPad. The display remains impressive, with both internal and external screens retaining the same specifications as the standard version. However, purchasers of the RSR edition receive an upgrade to the external screen protection glass, featuring nanocrystal shield glass for enhanced durability and scratch resistance. In terms of camera performance, the Magic V2 RSR delivers exceptional results, with vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and impressive night photography capabilities. The inclusion of AI motion sensing capture adds a unique touch, automatically capturing moments when users forget to press the shutter button. Furthermore, Honor has collaborated with Gameloft to optimize Asphalt 9 Legends for the Magic V2 series, including the RSR edition, marking a significant milestone in mobile gaming. With support for 120 FPS gameplay and remastered graphics, the Magic V2 RSR offers an unparalleled gaming experience on a foldable device. In conclusion, the Honor Magic V2 RSR is tailored for discerning users seeking a premium and distinctive foldable smartphone experience. With its premium design, enhanced accessories, improved durability, and advanced gaming capabilities, it sets a new standard for foldable smartphones until the release of the Magic V3.